Excavator Attachments and Equipment Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global excavator attachments and equipment market size will be $5,515.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America excavator attachments and equipment market size of $2,206.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe excavator attachments and equipment market size of $1,654.56 million. Asia Pacific excavator attachments and equipment market size of $1,268.50 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America excavator attachments and equipment market size of $275.76 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa excavator attachments and equipment market size of $110.30 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.